time travel is not possible. You're probably thinking that this is an undisputed fact. And yet here we are about to make history together. Because today we'll explore 8 inventions that were ahead of their time. Some artifacts have been discovered which defy all reasonable explanation given the level of technology available at the time they were made. These amazing creations remain a puzzle, leaving us wondering how ancient people could have conceived such advanced ideas so long before their time. Join me as we uncover the secrets of these mysterious inventions and discover how they continue to amaze us today. What could possibly be hidden in the remote areas of our planet? There are several theories about the existence of lost continents with advanced civilizations which suddenly disappeared from the face of the Earth for unknown reasons. For example, the existence of Atlantis. A civilization of highly intelligent and technologically advanced people has been the subject of debate for many years. And while there is no concrete evidence of its existence, there are some discoveries that seem to support the idea that such a place once existed. As incredible as it may sound, if we take into account the age of some objects found in different parts of the world, we can realize that certain tools, devices, or structures were built thousands of years ago with technologies that are far more advanced than those available at the time. Some scientists believe that there may have been a time when humanity had access to advanced technologies that were later lost due to natural disasters or the evolution of society. Others believe that the answers lie hidden in the depths of the ocean, where perhaps one day we will find evidence of a lost civilization. Now let's talk about something amazing. We've all seen movies like Indiana Jones, where they have to push a big red button to activate a trap. Well, believe it or not, there's a real-life version of this in the British Museum called the Antikythera Mechanism. It's an ancient Greek device used to track astronomical positions and predict eclipses. But the craziest thing is that it was invented around 200 BC, more than 1800 years before modern computers were invented. This machine is considered the first computer in history. Can you imagine? It's so crazy that even NASA scientists are still studying it to understand how it worked. Next, let's look at some amazing examples of ancient tech. The Shuruppak tablet. The Shuruppak tablet is a clay slab that dates back to 1800 BC in Mesopotamia. What makes it so special is that it contains a list of numbers and symbols that seem to describe a complex mathematical equation. Some experts believe that this tablet shows the first known record of multiplication tables. If true, it would mean that ancient Mesopotamians understood abstract concepts like multiplication long before civilizations in other parts of the world. This discovery suggests that mathematics played an important role in Mesopotamian culture, and that their knowledge was more advanced than previously thought. The Baghdad Battery. In 1936, a group of archaeologists unearthed a collection of clay, jars, and metal objects near the ancient city of Baghdad. Among the artifacts was a jar containing a copper tube, an iron rod, and a lead seal. When scientists examined the items, they realized that they could be part of an ancient battery. The clay jar would have acted as a container for the electrolyte, while the copper and iron rods would have served as electrodes. If this is true, it means that the ancient Babylonians had developed a battery over 2,000 years ago, which would have been centuries before modern batteries were invented. However, there is still debate about whether these artifacts were actually intended as batteries. Some experts argue that they were just decorative items or part of a burial ritual. More research is needed to confirm their purpose. Saqqara bird. The Saqqara bird is an ancient artifact discovered in Egypt in 1948. It is a small wooden model of a bird with a wingspan of only 57 centimeters. What makes it unique is that it seems to depict an advanced flying machine with moving parts. The wings of the bird are attached to a lever system that allows them to flap up and down like a bird in flight. It is believed that this artifact was created around 400 BC by the Egyptian engineer Heron of Alexandria. While it is not clear what its purpose was, some believe that it was a toy, while others believe it was intended as a model for a real flying machine. The Antikythera Mechanism. As I mentioned before, the Antikythera Mechanism is an ancient Greek device used to track astronomical positions and predict eclipses. It is believed that this device was invented around 200 BC during the Hellenistic period. The most amazing aspect of the Antikythera Mechanism is its complexity. It consists of a series of interconnected gears and dials that work together to display astronomical information. The device is so advanced that it baffled scientists when it was first discovered. They couldn't believe that ancient Greeks could have created such a sophisticated piece of technology. Today, scientists continue to study the Antikythera Mechanism to try to understand how it was made and how it worked. The Cresco Tablet. The Cresco Tablet is an ancient artifact that was discovered in Iraq in the 19th century. It is a clay tablet that dates back to 1750 BC and contains a set of numbers and symbols that are arranged in a particular order. Some experts believe that this tablet shows the first known record of the Pythagorean theorem, which states that in a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. If this interpretation is correct, it would mean that ancient Babylonians had a sophisticated understanding of mathematics and geometry. The Nebra Sky Disk. The Nebra Sky Disk is an ancient Aegean artifact that was discovered in Germany in 1969. It is a bronze disc that dates back to around 1600 BC and features a number of small objects arranged in a circular pattern. Some experts believe that this disc is one of the oldest representations of the cosmos ever made. It is believed to show the sun, moon, planets, and other celestial bodies as they would have appeared in the night sky at the time. The craftsmanship of the Nebra Sky Disk is incredibly detailed and precise, which suggests that the ancient people who made it had a sophisticated understanding of astronomy. The Macedonian Wheels. The Macedonian wheels are a collection of clay tablets that were discovered in Greece in the early 20th century. They date back to around 350 BC and are believed to have been used for teaching mathematics and engineering. The tablets contain a series of numbers, letters, and symbols that represent various geometric shapes and mechanical devices. Some experts believe that the Macedonian wheels were used as a sort of abacus or calculating machine. They could also have been used to teach basic engineering principles such as levers and pulleys. The Seidenberg Cylinders. The Seidenberg cylinders are a collection of clay tablets that were discovered in Iran in the 1930s. They date back to around 1500 BC and are decorated with a series of intricate patterns and designs. Some experts believe that the cylinders were used as seals to stamp onto clay tablets, but their true purpose is still unknown. The patterns on the cylinders are incredibly complex, and some have even been interpreted as depicting advanced technological devices such as airplanes and helicopters. However, this interpretation is highly controversial, and most experts agree that the SS cylinders were most likely just used as decorative seals. In conclusion, these inventions that are ahead of their time demonstrate the ingenuity and inventiveness of ancient civilizations. It is amazing to think that these inventions were created without the benefit of modern technology and scientific knowledge. These inventions remind us that we should never underestimate the intelligence and abilities of our ancestors. They also serve as a reminder that there may be many other ancient inventions that we have not yet discovered. Who knows what other amazing artifacts will be unearthed in the future that will challenge our understanding of history and technology. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more amazing content. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the mysteries of the past. See you soon. Bye-bye.